Alright guys, hope everybody's doing well. This is a week into having my Curly Wurly Permy system. With thanks to Hair For All for that one, I absolutely love it. This is going to be my first week, like a real test at work, or the first day today. At work, going to be riding around the bikes today. So I'm going to have a helmet on for the majority of the day, so it's going to be coming on and off. I haven't put a hat on or anything over this yet. I haven't dared do it. I've actually just loved having the system, to be honest with you. It's kept my head warm. But what I'm going to do is I'll document it today and I'll show you what it's like getting on and off the bike. Sometimes people don't like the old hat hair. I'm going to have to see how it goes. It might crush it down. However, what I've got is recommended. This stuff here is a Hydrate and Repair leave-in conditioner. It's supposed to be really good for curly hair. So I've been using this stuff, just spraying it in the days, and then I crunch it with my hands and obviously keep the perm nice and curly. This here is just literally that in a smaller form, so I can take it around to work with me. So I can carry this around to work. If I get off the bike and I realise that my hair is all crushed down, then what I can do is just spray some of this stuff in it, give it a little bit of a crunch, and then be on the go. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. All right guys, sorry, gonna be a little bit wobbly. I've got you, I'm on my bike, don't worry. For all the viewers out there, I'm not holding it, it's in a cradle, so yeah, nice and safe. But yeah, just sat on the bike on patrol, got my hair system on, got my helmet on, just going down the cycle path nice and safe. Been on my bike now for probably about 2 hours, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull over in a minute and I'm going to show you how my hair looks getting it out of the hair system. So just going to pull over now nice and safely. Okay, just get the phone out. Okay, so out on patrol, just riding my bike as you can see there. Wearing a helmet. This is what I have to wear most days out on bikes, unless I'm in a car. I have a hat as well, obviously patrolling with a hat on and stuff. What I would say is this new perm system that I've got is absolutely incredible. So if I take this off now and show you, you can see it is a messy style anyway. A perm, you know, a perm is kind of like a kind of messy style. The messy kind of look, having it forwards is in. But yeah, as you can see here, hat hair, not too bad at all. So I can get that off, get away with it, give it a little bit of a crunch. What I do have as well is a leave-on conditioner, a small bottle of it, which I take to work. So I can spray that on there as well if it's starting to dry out a little bit, or just needs a little bit of a kind of going over. I can do that. I've also got a comb as well, which I can show you guys in other videos, which has lots of little like really spaced out gaps, which are used for perm style. But yeah, I've literally had this in now for I had it fitted 2 weeks ago, yeah, so Wednesday today, so yeah, 2 weeks today. I haven't taken it off and cleaned it and done anything yet. It is overdue. I wasn't well last week, so I've left it in, but these things happen. Sometimes you become poorly, you can't, you know, obviously you just don't feel well enough to do it. The fact I played football last night in it, I think it looks great. I think it's still looking good. Obviously a little bit scruffy right now, needs a little bit of a kind of, yeah, a bit of a style. But yeah, this is to show you if you're you know, if you cycle at work, you wear hats, hard hats and stuff like that, then it's a decent thing. So yeah, cheers, take care.